Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look today at a vintage McCulloch Eager Beaver 2.0 chainsaw. Great soft for parts or to easily restore. So very nice McCulloch Eager Beaver 2.0. Chain's not frozen on the bar. It has no cracks, damage, or repairs. It is missing the recoil and the air filter cover. It does turn over with excellent compression. It does have excellent spark. I'm sure that it would probably need to have the carburetor cleaned or possibly new fuel lines. It has not been started in many years. A great source of Eager Beaver very scarce parts that you need for your restoration, or if you have these missing parts, a great point for you to get a restoration going easily with very little hassle. Be sure to click on the link below for more pictures and details of this fine vintage McCulloch Eager Beaver, or to buy it now. You can buy this right now for only $49.99. That's right, $49.99 buys this saw today. $49.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. We also ship anywhere in the world using eBay International Shipping. So don't waste any time. Buy it now, because if you don't, it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.